In this Credit Versio review, I'll give you a detailed breakdown of my experience with this credit repair tool and its key features. Links to Credit Versio are provided in the description for easy access. Credit Versio is a user-friendly credit repair platform designed for individuals looking to manage, repair, and monitor their credit scores. It stands out due to its data-driven approach, leveraging AI technology to help users dispute errors on their credit reports efficiently. The platform automatically scans your credit reports from all three major bureaus, Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian, identifying potential errors such as inaccurate late payments, collections, or outdated accounts that can impact your credit score. The standout feature of Credit Versio is its automated dispute process. It streamlines the traditional credit repair process by providing customizable dispute letters that users can send directly to the credit bureaus. The platform even handles the follow-up process for you, notifying you of any updates on the disputes and whether items have been removed. This feature saves users considerable time and effort compared to other manual or more labor-intensive credit repair services. Another major advantage is Credit Versio's affordability. Unlike some high-priced credit repair services, Credit Versio offers a budget-friendly subscription model that provides access to all its features without hidden fees or long-term commitments. It's particularly suited for those who want to take control of their credit repair efforts, but without breaking the bank. In addition, Credit Versio includes credit monitoring, so you can track your progress and watch how your score evolves as your disputes are processed. It also provides educational resources to help users understand credit scoring and build better financial habits. In conclusion, Credit Versio is a solid tool for individuals looking to take a hands-on, cost-effective approach to credit repair. Its ease of use, automated dispute process, and affordability make it a great choice for anyone serious about improving their credit score. Check out the links in the description for more information and see if Credit Versio is the right fit for your credit repair journey.